let me show you step by step on how to screen record on a Tecno Spark Slim. Watch the video until the end and don't skip any part. So this is what you're going to do. You're actually going to swipe down from the top of your screen, and then you have this. You see this icon right here, the screen recording icon right there. Tap right there. Now they bring you this. After tapping start screen recording, while you're recording, Android has access to anything visible on your screen or played on your device, so be careful with things like passwords, payment details and stuff. So you also want to include the microphone so that when you're speaking, the sound from the microphone is taken. You can toggle around there. Then if you want to show taps of whatever is being, screen recorded, you can actually toggle that on according to your preference. Then tap OK. Then allow screen recorder to record audio. I'm going to select while using the app. After doing that, when you look above, you can actually see the timer that screen recording is on. So whatever is actually being displayed on the screen on the Tecno Spark Slim screen is actually going to be recorded, screen recorded. So you can tap right there to actually pause. Okay, tap right there to pause. You can as well tap right there again to continue screen recording. Then if you actually want to stop screen recording, just again tap right there and then tap the stop part right there. You can actually see screen recording saved, and that is what actually screen recorded on a Tecno Spark Slim. That's how you screen record in Tecno Spark Slim.